Evening, people. My name is Shan, and I'm getting married soon. The first time I came over to Velvet Shane to wash my car, you know, finding around to a good place to wash our cars. So when I found Velvet Shane, I came over, washed my car, paid about $30 for the car, and I feel it's an awesome service they have provided. It took about more than 1 hour. I was so surprised, but the service was great. so when I getting married and I have to bring my car to since my car have a lot of scratches, watermarks, and dents, on the paint and that kind of stuff. So I coat my car. So suppose I have to go to the coating place where I have to remove the scratches and everything. But I took another step to move to Velvet Shen and give it a try and that kind of stuff. And what I see from their service is incredible. The place is an awesome place. It's a safe place for you to send a car. I have a great boss. The staff was awesome. It's a great place for you to send your car. Whenever you have some watermarks, scratches, anything, how you're gonna remove it. There are a lot of places which you can go on to remove that or maintenance your cars and that kind of stuff. But one place I could able to share with you guys is come to Velvet Shan. Again, your service is really, really awesome. Thank you, guys.